Okay, this is a Caputi's new house in the town of East Aurora, and we're going to give you a little bit of a tour. Nora, do you want to go around that side or that side first?
That way.
This way. Nora's going to give us a tour up the driveway. That is the Nora. Hello, Nora.
Hi.
And that's the garage. And next to the garage is
Pool.
the shed. And the pool is in here. Can you open the gate? Thank you, Nora. And this is the pool area. And that is the back of the house. We have lots and lots of gardens and trees. This is the rest of the yard. Lots and lots of space. And lots of gardens. And do you want to go in, Nor?
Sure.
This is kind of a sunroom. That's a Brian. That's a Kathy. That's a Kathleen. Who likes to hide.
You're Italian, that's a Kathy, that's a Kathleen, that's a Brian.
Let's see. This is the family room. That's a Goober guy. Hello, Goober guy.
Welcome to our abode.
That's a pizza dude. Hello, pizza dude.
Hi.
That's a Carrie. Okay. This is the kitchen. Okay, what next, Nora? You want to show them what's in the refrigerator? I was kidding. Okay. This is the dining room. This is the front foyer. This is the living room. The second of the three, you have three fireplaces, right? Two up here and one in the basement. Oops. Do we want to go upstairs?
Yeah.
All right. Nora will take us upstairs. Thank you. Okay. That's the Nora. This is a guest room. That is a bathroom.
Laundry chute.
That is a laundry chute. I didn't know I had one of those. This must be Pizza Dude's room, right?
Yeah.
Okay. This is Wilbur Guy's room, which he let Nora and Carrie use this weekend. Okay, and then the other bedroom is the master bedroom, which is over here. And Nora will demonstrate how to hang upside down like Spider-Man. Make sure that's good and tight, okay? I just think this is a perfect opportunity to tickle Nora. You don't think that's a good idea? Okay, let's see. I think that's about it. I don't think we need to go in the basement, do we?
No.
Okay. Let's... There. And that, I believe, concludes our tour. Is that correct, Nora?
Yeah.
Bye.